Hi guys, it's Dan with Green Touch Industries, and today we're going to be looking at the new mini pressure washer. This is a really cool little item to have. It's going to be really super convenient for a lot of different activities or a lot of little jobs that you need to take care of. So we're going to look at the actual unit here. It's got a two-stage switch on it, so you can actually plug in different items. Like this one here is one that holds a little bit of soap in it, so we'll be able to pre-soak it. And then we'll put our pressure nozzle on there for more of a power cleaning. Everything's quick coupler, as you can see. Very easy to use. There's the soap going on. If I want to do a quick rinse, I can just come to this switch. But we'll put the other nozzles on. I'll show you what kind of pressure it actually has. To get to the battery is a 4,000 amp hour battery. It's 21 volts, so it's going to hold power for about 2 hours solid. Excellent battery pack for power. It actually has a switch on the back. You can push on that and it'll tell you how much power is left in your battery. So let's go ahead and swap out the nozzles, and then we'll see what strength it really has. So it comes with two different nozzles. It comes with a red one and a white one. So there's your red one. Very high pressure. So this would come in really handy if I was out fishing and I got the boat all messy and stuff like that, or if I had the kids with me and we just got off the beach and there's sand and everything, I'd be able to pressure wash it right there. What's kind of cool is you don't need anything. All you need is this. You can drop it off the side of the boat into the water, or in this case, because we're in salt water, I'm going to put it in fresh water, just a bucket of fresh water. And that'll allow me to have whatever I need in order to spray the boat and everything. So this is the mini pressure washer. Excellent item to have. It's going to be great for RVs. It's going to be good for if I want to do the windows on the house, do my truck, all kinds of different things. Lawnmower, if it gets all nasty and everything. It's got a lot of juice for being such a small little unit. So this is available through trailerracks.com. And again, this is the mini pressure washer.